Yay! Again, good afternoon. This is the holiday season. We have here the holiday Eid al-Adha for 4 days. Now, to be productive, daghang kaayong himuon sa diri sa kay nahuman naman ako himo ang ito ginger, garlic and lemon and raw honey. Now I will be making a pickled onions. So onions is very powerful. This is anti-cancer. So mga 5 akong gihiwa-hiwa ni fresh onions, and then 5 ka big ones of this. Ako na siyang slices like this, and then put in the glass container, small glass container. Again, I will put the raw honey and then the lemon. So it will be used for your daily consumption, like a pickled one, and then you can ma-partner nimo siya sa imong food. And then yeah, this is good. This is if you can kung bawaan ninyo na ang onions has a good benefits to our body. So ito ang gihimo na ako para dili na ako maghiwa-hiwa kada adlaw og onions. Nagusto na nako kan o mag-pickle din ako with the raw honey and fresh lemon. So mo ni siya, and then I will show you sa finished product nako pagkahuman ani. Thank you so much for watching. This is a health remedy for our body, health benefits, good benefits, onions. You try in your home and then you eat this daily with your food. Kung mukaon mo, and then you take sa pickled and then good for your body. Thank you so much. Bye. Yes, hello everybody. And then my next pickled is the garlic pickled. Ang ginawa ko ay it's not garlic there, sorry, onions. This is onions and this is onions, and then I have slices of lemon, and then I add honey, yan, then lemon, butang na ko dyan ang lemon na uban, yes. So yeah. So lemon and then honey and then yan, onions. So this is also onions is a very good, very powerful also. Very powerful for remedy, and good for lowering your blood pressure, antioxidant, and this is a very health remedy, natural remedy for your body. So try this. This is pickled onions with honey and lemon. So thank you so much for watching. Try in your home. There is no harm of trying, but this is has a good benefits to our body. So let's maintain the natural remedy and make your own version with this, and then this can be partner. Pwede ni siya i-partner sa mga tanan nga pagkaon, either if you have steak, if you have salmon, or di kaya buwad nya naa kay gamay nga pan or pasta, or di kaya kanon, i-partner nimo ni siya. Very good, and has a good benefits to our body. Thank you so much for watching, and this is my onions with honey and lemon, fresh lemon, fresh onions, and fresh raw honey. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.